Drop the first pair as it is. 11 multiplied by 3 is 33. 3 plus 5 it is 8. 3 plus 3 it is 6. So that means 68 is the remainder and 11 is the quotient. Shortcut method to divide a number by any number which is near about 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or any powers of 10. Okay. So see the technique how we will do the division. Okay. So the first question is 3116. It is to be divided by 98. Now we know that 98 is near to 100 and it is less than 100 by 2, and as 100 has 2 zeros, so we will make a pair of 2 digits at a time. Drop the first pair as it is 31. Okay, 31 is to be multiplied with this 02, means the difference between the base and the actual divisor. Okay, so 31 multiplied by 2 is how much? It is 62. Add this part, it is 8, it is 7. So that means this 31 is the quotient and the remainder is 78 in this case. Clear? Okay. Now proceed to the second question. 1135, it is to be divided by 97. Now again 97 is near to 100 and difference is 03. So this is the pair. Drop the first pair as it is. 11 multiplied by 3 is 33. 3 plus 5 it is 8. 3 plus 3 it is 6. So that means 68 is the remainder and 11 is the quotient. Clear? Okay. Now the third question is 89 divides 1235. This is also near to 100. The difference is 11. This is the two pair. The first pair is dropped as it is. Now 12 multiplied by 11 is 132. Clear? So when you add this part, this is 7, this is 6, this is 1. So 167 is greater than the divisor, which cannot be the case. So that means this is further continued with this step, or you can subtract the two steps. Either one of the step you can do. See, 167 minus 89, how much? It is 8, it is 7. Clear? And how many times you have subtracted? Only one time. So that means you have to add just 1 over here and 13. So in this case 13 is the quotient and remainder is 78. If you have continued with division, then 167 is further to be divided by 89. You have dropped this 1 as it is. 1 multiplied by 11 is 11. Again you will get the same remainder. And this one is this extra quotient that was added. Clear? Okay. So the first three questions are done. This step is getting easier or not? Okay. Now see. This is 98 divides 10015. It is also near to 100, less than 02. Okay, so this is one pair, this is another pair, and this is 01, let's say. So this first digit is dropped as it is. 1 multiplied by 02 is 02. It is added, so it is 02. 02 multiplied by 02 is 2 multiplied by 2 is the same thing, so it is 04. Now at this part it is 19. So the quotient is 102, yes, and the remainder is 19. Clear? After completing the steps, I will tell you the method of this kind of division, this technique. Okay. See, the fifth question is 998 divides 23516. It is near to 1000. The difference is 002. Near to 1000, you can write as of now. Okay, so 3 digit is a pair. This 23 is dropped as it is. 23 multiplied by 02 again which is 46. So 046, clear. 046 is added, 6 plus 6 it is 2, 4 plus 1 it is 5, plus 1 carry, so it is 6, 5 plus 0 it is 5. So that means the quotient is 23, and what is the remainder? The remainder is 562. Clear? Hope I am understood with this. Okay. Now let us do question number 6. It is 997 divides 113401. How many digits? 3 digits. So 3 digit is a pair. Drop this 3 digit as it is. It is less than 1000 by how much? 003. So 113 is to be multiplied with this 3. It is 339 at this part. 9 plus 1 it is 10, carry 1. 3 plus 1 it is 4. 4 plus 3 it is 7. So that means in this case the quotient is 113, and what is the remainder? The remainder is 740. Clear? Now the last question. The last one is a bigger number. Okay, it is 99979 divides 11199171. How many digits are there? 5 digits. So the pair will be of 5 digit. It is nearer to 1 lakh clearly. What is the difference? Difference is 21, that is 00021. You have to write like this. Okay, drop this digit as it is, 111. Now 111 multiplied by 21. Clear? So 1 multiplied by 21 is 1, carry 2. Again 1 multiplied by 21 is 21. Already 2 was a carry, so it is 23. Again 2 is a carry, so it is 23 again. And this is 0. Okay, add it. 1 plus 1 it is 2, 3 plus 7 it is 10, 3 plus 1 it is 4, plus 1 5, 9 plus 2 it is 11, carry 1. Now this 101502. See, again the difference, that is the remainder, is greater than the divisor. So again either you can subtract one time or you can divide it again. So 101502, if we divide it by this number, that is 99979, first this number is dropped as it is, so it was less already by 00021. So multiply this, it is 00021. Now at this part, it is 3, it is 2, it is 5, it is 1. So that means this 1 is the extra quotient which is to be added over here. So that means in this case the quotient is 112 and the remainder is how much? 1523. If we have subtracted, then also we have gotten the same result. See, 101502 was the remainder. If we have subtracted it by 99979, see what we are getting. It is 3, it is 8, so 2, it is 9, 10, 5, it is 9 also becoming 10, so it is 1. See, the same remainder is coming. Clear? Okay. In the previous sum also, that previous sum means the question number 3. In this case also the remainder was 167, so you could have done like this also. Okay, and you have already done like this. See, in this case we have done the division, and in the previous part we have done it subtraction. Now in this case, that is the last question and the previous question, which was 11 multiplied by 12, means again a bigger multiplication is required. But somehow if you do this method, what I am telling you right now, this will become much more easier to you, because in this case I will be considering only one digit at a time. It is to be divided by 99979. The logic behind this remains the same, but in this case that longer division is not required. See, in this case this part is the remainder, as I have told already. It is 5 digits, so 5 digit will be considered as the remainder part. Now in this case we will be considering only one digit at a time. So 1 multiplied by 21, it is very easy. Again 1 plus 0, it is 1. Again multiply 00021. Clear? 1 plus 0, again it is 1. Okay, so multiply again 00021. Now as this part is completed, means this part only, whenever this part is completed, we will not do further addition. Okay, only this part is to be added, means the division stops over here. The question part is this one only. Okay, and you add this part. it is 1 plus 1 2, this is 7 plus 1 plus, so it is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 carried 5, 9 plus 2 it is 1 11, so 101502. See, the same remainder was coming as the previous one. So in this case also 101502, here also this part is the remainder, you can drop 1 over here and multiply it with 00021. See, the remainder is 1523 again, and as we know that this is the extra quotient which is to be added over here. So that means in this case also the quotient is 111 plus 1, that is 112. Clear? Okay. Now the method behind this, what I was talking just right now, is the Nikhila method. Okay. Now after revision you will do these two sums I am giving you. Question number 1, you have to divide 1 2 3 5 7 6, it is to be divided by 8 8 8. You have to write the answer in the comment section below. And another number, let's say 2 3 4 7 6 7 5 6, it is to be divided by, let's say 979. Okay, you do these two sums and the answers are to be written in the comment section below. Hope I am understood with this. Okay, thank you.